Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I am feeling so much more grounded and rested since I started using these grounding sheets from Grounded Reset. So you may be wondering, do these really work? And I was a bit skeptical to begin with as well, but I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I feel that these are totally worth having. The first one is that I'm sleeping better and deeper. I don't lie awake with racing thoughts. I am able to fall asleep quickly, which is amazing. The second reason is because these sheets help you to connect with the earth. So that may sound kind of crazy, but when you think about it, people used to walk barefoot all the time, and we just don't do that as much as we used to. Now, I do get out in my garden and I go barefoot, but my husband always has socks and shoes on. And so I especially wanted this for him, and we've noted improvement in his sleep as well. The third reason is because these sheets are so soft. I'm extremely picky when it comes to my sheets. These are made with cotton and pure silver, and they're so soft. They just feel so luxurious on your skin. I am totally hooked on these sheets. I think once you try them, you will be too. And that's my point of view.